Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom song or audio file as a ringtone in your Android phone. I'll be sharing two different ways to do this. The first method for older Android versions and the second one for more recent models. If you don't know how to put music in your phone, check the video in the description. So let's get started. For older phones, just go to My Files, open My Files or File Manager, this one. You will see audio files. You will see your music that you have downloaded in your phone. You just hold down the piece of music you want to set as a ringtone, and then you will see more, or the three dots, the three vertical dots or lines. On some phones you will see the dots here at the top. You just press that. You will see an option called set as a ringtone. I don't have it in this phone because this is a new phone. This is a 2024 model phone, so I don't have it. You will see this option only in older phones. For new phones like my Samsung phone, it's gonna be different. After installing your music in your phone, this is the second method. This time you go to settings. In settings, open sounds and vibration. In sound and vibration, press ringtone. In ringtone, press the plus sign and select your song, like this one for example. Once you have selected your piece of music, press done to save. If you go back to the sound settings, you will see your song in the ringtone. Let's now change my music, so just go back to ringtone. Press the plus sign, choose another song, this one for example, and press done to save. If you want to remove your previous songs that you have added, you just press the minus sign to remove your previous songs. That's how to set your favorite song as a ringtone in your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, share it with others, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.